The good old S&P 500 index, you definitely have heard of this, but why is it so popular amongst investors? So in this video, we are going to be investigating just why that is the case. But before we dive into the reasons behind the S&P's popularity, let's first understand what it is. The S&P 500, also known as the Standard & Poor's 500, is an index that measures the performance of 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States of America. It represents a significant portion of the US stock market and is widely regarded as a reliable indicator of overall market performance. Now that we know what the S&P 500 index is, let's explore why it has become such a popular investment tool, especially among beginners. The S&P 500 offers a high level of diversification. By investing in this index, you are effectively buying a tiny piece of 500 different companies across various sectors. This diversification helps to spread the risk associated with individual stocks, making it a less volatile investment compared to investing just in individual companies. The S&P 500 is often referred to as a barometer of the US economy. The index includes companies from a wide range of industries such as technology, healthcare, finance, consumer goods, and more. By investing in the S&P 500, you are essentially participating in the growth and success of the overall US market. As the US also holds the global world reserve currency, the US dollar, the US economy is one of the most notable economies in the entire world. Over the long term, the S&P 500 has shown strong historical performance. It has consistently delivered positive returns, outperforming many other investment options. While past performance doesn't guarantee future results, the S&P 500's track record has made it an attractive choice for investors seeking growth and capital appreciation. Investing in the S&P 500 is relatively easy and accessible for beginners. You don't need a large amount of capital to get started, as there are various ways to invest in the index, such as through exchange-traded funds or index funds. These investment vehicles allow you to buy a diversified portfolio of S&P 500 stocks with a single transaction. The S&P 500 is a favorite among passive investors. Passive investing involves buying and holding a diversified portfolio for the long term rather than actively trading stocks. Since the S&P 500 represents a broad cross-section of the market, many investors choose to passively invest in the index, benefiting from the overall growth of the US economy over time. When investing in the S&P 500 through index funds or ETFs, you'll often encounter lower fees compared to actively managed funds. These lower expenses can have a significant impact on your investment returns over the long run, making the S&P 500 an appealing choice for cost-conscious investors. The popularity of the S&P 500 index stems from investor confidence. It has become a trusted benchmark, widely recognized by financial professionals and institutions. This recognition and reputation provide a sense of security and stability to investors, especially beginners who might be apprehensive about entering the stock market. Another reason behind the S&P 500's popularity is the fact that many of the companies included in the index pay dividends. Dividends are regular cash payments made by companies to their shareholders as a share of their profits. By investing in the S&P 500, you have potential to earn income through these dividend payments, which can be a valuable source of passive income for investors. As one of the most widely followed indexes in the world, there is a plethora of research and information available on the S&P 500. From market analysis to individual stock performance, investors can find a wealth of resources to make informed investment decisions. This availability of information makes it easier for beginners to understand and track their investments. Lastly, the S&P 500 offers long-term growth potential. Over several decades, the US economy has shown resilience and the ability to recover from downturns. By investing in the S&P 500 and staying invested for the long term, you have the potential to benefit from the growth of the US economy and the compounding effect of reinvesting your returns. So to wrap up, the S&P 500's popularity among beginners and seasoned investors alike can be attributed to its diversification, market representation, historical performance, accessibility, passive investing appeal, lower fees, investor confidence, dividend payments, research availability, and long-term growth potential. However, it's important to remember that every investment comes with its own risks, and it's crucial to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Is the S&P 500 the right investment for you? Only you can tell for yourself, as it's always personal finance.